morning, children. Welcome to virtual class. Students, I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and we are going to learn today the EVS part 1 of standard 4th. The topic name is the life cycle of animals. This is the part 2nd one. Yes, students, observe these pictures. You can see a puppy and a dog, kitten and a cat, calf and a mother elephant, cub and a tiger. Do you see some similarities among the babies and their mothers? Yes, we can see here so many similarities between the babies and the mothers. For example, the puppy and the mother dog, we will observe, see that puppy has 2 ears, mother also has 2 ears, puppy has 4 legs, mother too has 4 legs, puppy has a tail, mother too has a tail, 2 eyes, nose, etc. Right? Means there are so many similarities we can see between the mother and its child. Okay? Now, here you observe this. This is the baby frog and the mother frog. Here, this is the larva, that is the baby butterfly and the butterfly. Do you see any similarities between these two? See, the baby frog is called as tadpole. See, it looks like fish. It has tail, but mother frog has no tail. See the body structure of the tadpole. Compare that one to the mother frog. It's totally different. Now here, this larva, see its structure and see the adult butterfly. Butterfly has wings, it can fly, but what about larva? It glides on the leaf. Means we cannot see any similarities between the young one and its mother. Right? The young ones, these larvae and the tadpole, they emerges from the eggs. And we will study about these in detail in the next slides. Now see these animals. Students, these are the animals that give birth to the young ones. Here, the babies of these animals grow in their mother's tummy and also born from mother's tummy. Okay, they do not lay eggs. Remember this. Okay. Here we will see animals that lay eggs. Observe these animals. See the insect, tortoise, fish, hen, snake, ants, salamander, birds, spider, frog, penguin. So many pictures you can see here. These are all animals that lay eggs. And the baby grows inside the egg, and when the growth completes, they break the shell and they come out. Got this? means these all first lay eggs. Okay, here some tiny animals, their eggs are very tiny. So we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. Correct? But we know some animals that lay eggs. For example, hen gives eggs, birds, snakes, because their eggs are big enough to be easily seen. Okay, now students, we will study about the hen and how the chicks come out from the eggs. Yes, students, see this. Hen lays the eggs and it sits on her eggs to warm them. Here, in this position, she is said to be hatching her eggs. Okay? Because the hen lays eggs and warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. See this? So after laying them, she sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. It takes approximately 20 to 22 days for this procedure. When the growth is complete, the chick breaks and comes out. See here, chicks, you can see they came out from the eggs. Now can you see these are similar to their mother? Now here you can see the hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. She takes care of them. Here also we can see they look similar to their mother. Now students, we have gone through how the chicks comes out from its egg, right? Now we will go to the life cycle of plain tiger butterfly. Now we will study about this one. Okay? Here different stages in metamorphosis. The life cycle of butterfly is called as metamorphosis, because in their life cycle there are 4 stages. See this. First they lay the eggs. Then the second stage is larva stage. Larva grows inside the egg, and when its growth is complete, it emerges from the egg. Then that stage is called as larva. Then after some time, it forms pupa. This is the third stage. This is also called as chrysalis. And the fourth stage is adult butterfly. Okay. Now students, the butterfly lays the eggs and the larva or the caterpillar, it grows inside the egg. It takes 6 to 8 days. And when the larva emerges from the egg, it eats very fast because it is very hungry. So it grows rapidly. The larva of the butterfly is called as caterpillar. Remember this. And it stays in larva stage for 10 to 12 days. It molts for 3 to 4 times. Molting means it sheds the old skin and takes the new skin. Because of its eating, it grows rapidly, and the old skin does not fit in its old skin, and it gets the new skin. That is called as molting. Then it forms the pupa, and it remains in the pupa stage for 11 to 12 days. It does not eat anything at this stage, and the important changes takes place inside the chrysalis, and after 11 to adult butterfly comes out. Okay. Now we will go through 4 stages. See, dear students, this is a plain tiger butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly, which is female, that lays eggs on milkweed leaf. In Marathi we call rui. Okay, rui leaf. See the egg of the butterfly. It is very tiny. Now we can see the larva coming out from the butterfly. Sorry, coming out from the egg. See, it eats the eggshell and it eats the leaves. The larva is very hungry. It eats very fast and its growth is very rapid. See, it molted. It took the new skin. It molts for 3 to 4 times. Here after that, in the 5th time, the caterpillar forms a pupa or chrysalis. See this? It stays in pupa stage for 11 to 12 days. And it does not eat anything, and so many changes appear inside the pupa, and a adult butterfly emerges out along with 4 beautiful wings and 6 long legs. You can see here. Correct? This is a this is a plain tiger butterfly. Now we will see the sentence of metamorphosis. In some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called a metamorphosis. See students, just now we gone through the life cycle of butterfly. The first stage is egg, then comes caterpillar, and caterpillar is very different from the adult butterfly, right? The 3rd stage is chrysalis or the pupa stage, and the 4th stage is the adult butterfly. So here we cannot see any similarities between the adult animal and the young one. So this transformation is called as metamorphosis. Got this? Now we will see a quick recap that what we have learned. Yeah, first one, some animals give birth to their young ones. Some animals lay eggs. The eggs of some animals are so tiny that we would hardly notice them. A hen lays the eggs and sits on them to hatch. The grown chicks breaks the shell. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis and adult are 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The adult butterfly has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Dear students, always remember this. Butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterflies just for fun and to keep them tied with a string. Please don't do this and don't allow your friends to do this. Okay? Yes, students. This is from your textbook, page number 6. I hope you understood the lesson. Please go through this and try to answer. Okay, this is very easy. See, answer in brief, true or false is there and fill in the blanks are there. Okay. Thank you children for being with me. Okay. Take care, stay safe and stay home.